All right, I'm recording now. How about that? I started talking for 5 minutes and I didn't have the thing on. How stupid is that? Well, good morning again, or good afternoon. Starting to get dark out now, or gray or something, overcast. So I got to get to work fast. So just briefly, I'm working on the roof now of the bus, and I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm going to put these two antennas in. This round thing is the TV antenna, VHF, UHF, FM, and the little guy, what do you call that, shark fin kind of antenna, is an amplified FM booster antenna. That, what do you call that, kind of antenna up there, that's already hooked up. That's a lower frequency antenna, it's an older type, but I'm going to keep it there, why not? And my other FM antenna broke off, and so I'm leaving that there. I just got to confirm my wires are long enough. I have this right behind the vent, and I'm going to go in and see if I can get this straight. So you notice I'm trying to keep an aisle open on the top of the bus so you can walk, and the solar panels out towards the edges. Someday in the future I'd love to make a tilting mechanism and all of that, but that's another whole nother story. So anyway, I'm going in and check that out, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. I would elaborate on a whole bunch of other stuff, but I'll save that for another video. So I'll see you later. If I don't see you, we'll catch you next video. I hope I can learn editing soon, huh? Another month or two and I'll be able to get things together. So until then, Merry New Year, God bless, and enjoy the day off tomorrow. Hopefully people get a day off tomorrow. Am I doing? Yeah, I'm going to be working. I'll be working on the bus, but doing fun things too, so that's cool. So anyway, enjoy. Merry New Year. God bless all of you and your families, and look forward to seeing you next time. God bless. See you. Bye.